Hello everyone, I'm Pat. Today I'm going to be showing you the 2004 Pontiac Montana. Starts up with no problems. Vehicle has only 31,000 miles on it. That's right, I said it only has 31,000 miles on it. Let's check this window real quick. Alright. Okay, let's have a walk around. Right off the bat, small dent right here. Light scratching over here. There's a little crack here in the rear tail light. Alright. Let's start, so that was the outside. Let's start showing you everything on the inside. Everything's nice and clean. Over here, this is a this is a handicap van, and these are the restraints for it. I'll show you with their placement in a little bit. There is a piece missing right here. Alright, let's come over this way. So this door here, it is an automatic door. There's two buttons here. Both of these operate the door. One push. The lock was on. So this door, as you can see, it slides open, no problems. However, the only thing that doesn't slide out is the ramp here. It does not work. But this door, it does slide open and closed. Perfect. Now let's open it again so I can show you the back seats. Alright. So the back seats, very good condition. And the restraints that I showed you a little bit ago, here's one of the tracks down here. And then the other securement area is this track right here. And both these seats are easily removable. Now let's show you these seats, which are in very good condition. and the driver's seat, also very good condition. This door, it's not a automatic door. It slides. It's a manual door, but it slides open and closed without any problems. All right. Nice clean engine bay. Engine's nice and quiet, it's running smooth. Over here it has the sticker of when this vehicle was modified. You can see here it is installed on 3/4/2004. Alright, so now we're going to check the lights and tires. To check the tires, I have this tool here, which is going to measure the tread in 30 seconds of an inch. So the first tire here is going to be 9/32 of tread. Headlights, right turn signal. Second tire, 9/32. Next tire, 6/32. Right rear turn and the running lights. And this tire here is 7/32. Excuse me. So we got the left turn, the high beams, and the rear left turn. All right. Let's check out the AC. That's why. We're letting that cool off. We'll turn the radio up. So the radio's working. AC is blowing out cold. Let's try the heat. And that's blowing out hot. Okay, I think we're ready for our test drive here. No problems with reverse. that feels good. As I shifted out of park into reverse and into drive, the transmission shifted very smoothly. There was no hesitation or noises. No problems getting up to speed. As we go over the bumps in the road, the suspension makes for a very comfortable ride. Alright, so last thing, we have only one key and one fob for the vehicle. And that was the 2004 Pontiac Montana. I hope this video has answered any questions you have about the vehicle. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and click that bell so you can receive notifications. Thank you for your time, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.